with Rob, episode 2. Learn My History Foundation encourages youth empowerment, self-esteem, and racial harmony.
Oh!
It's time for Create with Rob. It's going down with a new crew. Let's see how these historical projects unfold.
Brigadeiro, which is a Brazilian dessert. Start off with 2 cups of condensed milk. Doesn't take long if you have a Brazilian family. The majority of people know what this is. It's very similar of another one which is named beijinho. This one's just chocolatey. Stir 1 cup of chocolate you have. Make sure it's very well mixed. Continuously stir. If you stop, it might stick to the pan. My grandfather's name is José Luis. He came here to Florida for a while. Hilda is my grandmom's name. He really enjoys it here.
I chose my Create with Road project because of the patterns and colors you see in most Vietnamese clothing.
I learned my Vietnamese family loves to cook and make their own spices. My Vietnamese people loves to travel with other families.
Hello?
Hey, who's that lady?
It's my mom too.
Time for Portuguesa.
E é muito famoso no Brasil, todo mundo conhece, a maioria das pessoas conhece. Eu tô fazendo isso porque é muito fácil de aprender e é muito gostoso também. I'm preparing corn and veggie meat to put in pouch. Close it and you deep fry it. Pastel, very popular Brazilian food. One thing I learned about my history is my grandparents are farmers. I have 1 great-grandparent. They know nothing about the U.S., but can still help me learn basic knowledge, and I am grateful for her.
I have something I remember.
What country are you representing with this beautiful project?
Brazil. First I'm going to put sweetened condensed milk.
I love sweetened condensed milk in my coffee.
It's so good. And then I'm going to use this exact same cup to put the whipping cream in there.
I like how you use that as a measuring cup.
Yeah. Hash of Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
Passion fruit juice.
That's going to be delicious.
Blend it and then I put them in the cups.
I think I can taste that from over here.
Yeah. And then I have to refrigerate them for 1 hour.
Wonderful.
So my father, his whole family is Hungarian. He was born in Brazil. He has 2 sisters and a brother, and they grew up speaking Hungarian in the house, even though they were in Brazil. But his parents thought this was very important for them to learn the language and to learn more about their culture. I was born in Brazil. I only speak a few words in Hungarian, and I think it's important to share this with Lara so she can learn and respect more other cultures, and especially now that we have so much hate in the world. I think it's very important to learn to love and to respect one another.
I learned that grandpa's side of the family is Hungarian.
What was your grandpa's name?
Carlos. I'm Brazilian, and that Brazilians make lots of food with tropical stuff, which I didn't really know before.
Don't forget one for me. Looks good.
A minha avó foi pegada a laço, a Índia, ela era índia. Eles pegaram ela e jogaram o laço assim. Vou pegar cavalo.
Oh, great-grandma?
Great.
So her great-great-grandma was Native American. They lassoed her on a horse, cowboy style, and brought her to civilization. She kind of got kidnapped. What? They taught her how to be a Brazilian instead of being an Indian. Grandpa.
Youth face so many challenges. How can you help Learn My History Foundation? We need more youth involvement, mentors, partnerships, guidance to sustain, and your kind tax-deductible donations. Don't forget our annual youth calendar, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on social media. Thanks for your support. Won't you volunteer or donate today? LMH wants to thank these amazing supporters.
Next on Create with Ro.
Stay tuned for our season finale. Great things to come.